So yeah, we have a dual belt drum sander, and yeah, it works amazingly for some jobs. Just like with all woodworking tools, they work best when you use them for the exact jobs that they were intended for. And yes, this sander will flatten slabs, but it takes a long time, to say the least. And truthfully, it really isn't made to remove half an inch of a material on each side of the board, even though it will do it. That brings us to today's video. How do you take these new maple slabs we have to a flat surface when we don't have a tool big enough to do it? Well, stick around to not only learn how we build this tool, but to actually see it in action. Hey, this is Brandon Cobble with Coastal Woodworking and Concrete Design. Today we're going to show you how we took a workbench we built over 2 years ago and turned it into a flattening table for big slabs. Follow along and let us know what you think down in the comments section. What would you have done differently? First, we start off by using a flush trim router bit along the edges to make sure that they're straight and true with the table. If we're going to mount sides on this thing, it has to be flat. Now we have to build the sides I just mentioned. We're going to take an 18-inch wide cut out of some birch ply and glue them together for a side panel equaling 12 foot in length for our flattening table. Okay, now that we have the sides built, we have to do a mock-up. We need to know where they sit in reference to the table so we know where to put our bolts up. Now, you might be asking yourself, bolts? Bolts for what? Well, on our table, we want to be able to handle wood from 1 inch all the way up to 6 inches. We need this coverage when we do customer slabs all the way to thick mantles. So in order to be able to handle that big of a swing, we need our sides to be movable. By installing bolts, we can slide our sides up and down to accommodate any size piece we are milling. The metal sliders Gary is carrying to the table are the pieces we're going to mount our router to. If you look, you can see they go almost all the way to the end of each side and slide quite well.
They don't know it's where I've been and who I am, all the ways I've grown. Blood and the sweat, tears and regret made me hard as stone. On my own, on my own. Put the work in, yeah. I'd be great, knew I would rise through all of the pain.
This is where we're going to mount the base for the router to the slide on our gliders. We will also be adding side pieces to the outside of both of the side plates as well as on the inside. This will ensure that it doesn't move around while we're milling our slabs. Now, take notice, our gliders get in the way right here of our sliding router pad. We'll have to get a little creative to get around this, so watch what we do, and let us know in the comments section below if you'd have done it the same way or if you'd have tweaked it a little bit different.
Put the work in, yeah, I earned it. It's my destiny. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh.
I came to the city as a cyclone, and I loved it like a strike of lightning. I'm all shook up like some cheap champagne that got poured into a paper cup. Then we rocked and we rolled like a rodeo show in my fresh cut nude suit. You can give my regards to Broadway, 'cause I'm getting down on Music Row.
Okay, so the bolts have to have something to slide up and down on, right? So that's what we're doing. We're making the slider holes for the bolts. Notice I drew out where I thought the sliders would be, but after mock hanging them, I realized it would be better to go ahead and put them through the 4x4s on the table for strength. That made the sliders move some. Imagine that. Just bad luck, I guess.
Son, you don't have bad luck. The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
Now, I'm sure you're noticing the changes we had to make, and if not, let me share them with you. Remember when I said our sliders were going to get in the way of our router plate? Well, they did. And because of that, we're losing 3 inches on each side of the table for a total of 6, and 1.5 inches due to the handles on the router. So by shrinking the router plate and removing some of the inner slider holders, we added an additional 8 inches to our width capacity. This will give us a total of about 56 inches wide and 12 foot in length. Now that's one
Huge bitch!
Walking like a G, sipping Hennessy, president of sweet, looking like a young Barack Obama. Skipping to the beat, giving hella heat. I'ma need a seat just to count up all these dots and commas. I think it's evident I'm the better man, I'm the jam. I'ma have you crushing like a four-wheel monster. Who you know who looking like this for real? Who you know who looking like this? Baby, baby, won't you listen to me? I got that flavor, I know you're dying to feed. I ain't no dancer, just got some hip in my feet. Now throw your hands up. Ooh, you bring the lighter, I got the fuse. You make a fire, I'll add the fuel. Follow my lead, just watch the shoes. Gotta turn the heat up to get this cool. Pick that chin up off the ground and flash that smile for me. Put some pep up in that step, it's going down shortly. Got so much weight up on my shoulders, all this jewelry on me. I wear my shades inside cause I go blind just looking down. Looking like the man sipping Chardonnay on the balcony, looking like a young Elvis Presley. I've been overseas, I've been underneath, I ain't never seen nothing like a person 12 o'clock. I don't know nobody looking like that, I don't know nobody looking like that. I don't know nobody looking like that, I don't know nobody looking like that. Baby, baby, won't you listen to me?
And there you have it. If you have any questions about how or what we did in any part of this video, please do not hesitate to comment below and we'll answer any questions you may have. Thanks for sticking around, and please, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we post new videos. And until then, cheers.